Hi everyone, welcome to Codianto. We are solving Let Code 28 example together, remove elements. And let's read and understand the question together. We need to remove all occurrence of the given value, val, in numbers in place. The final array should have all the remaining elements at the start, but their order doesn't matter. We do not need to maintain order, which allows us to use an efficient two-pointer approach. We return keep the number of elements that are not include 1. Let's check our approach together. We will define two pointers. One of them is keep valid count. The other pointer is iteration of the numbers. Iterator to scan the array, valid count to track the position for valid elements. For example, first element number 0 is equal to 3. Since number 0 equal value, it should be removed. Valid count remains 0. And we move to the next element. Since number 1 not equal value, we keep this value. Copy numbers 1 to number valid counts and increase valid count to 1. The third element numbers 2 is equal to. Since numbers 2 not equal value, we keep this value also. So copy nums 2 to nums valid count and increase valid count to 2. Fourth element numbers 3 is equal 3. Since numbers 3 is equal value, it should be removed. Valid count remains 2 and valid count is equal 2 and the first two elements are 2 and 2. Let's move to code and write it together in Java. Let's define an integer valid count. We will count all the elements of the nums except vals. So we will return valid count. We will iterate the numbers with for loop and integer num. And iterated element of the numbers num not equal val. What will we do? We will keep this element inside the numbers with valid count also. Valid count equal num. After place the number inside the nums, don't forget to increase valid count. And yes, that's all. This is our solution. Let's run the test together and check the results. Okay, all tests are accepted. And let's submit the solution and see the result together. Okay, submission is accepted. And the time complexity of this solution is O(n), the length of the numbers, and the space complexity of the solution is O1 because we solved the problem inside the numbers in place. For more videos and the solution, don't forget to subscribe and like friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.